Well, new tonight, for the first time, Eyewitness News sits down with the man charged in the death of Bakersfield police officer David Nelson. Julian Hernandez faces 6 felony counts, including second-degree murder. Eyewitness News reporter Matt Boone spoke with him and joins us now with more from that interview. Matt?
Rochelle, Hernandez is currently in the maximum security wing at Lerdo. He was arrested back in June after allegedly engaging in a pursuit in which Officer Nelson died after losing control of his vehicle. When I asked Hernandez why he finally wanted to speak with the media, he only had one simple request.
Arranging various reports, newspaper clippings, and case law, Julian Hernandez laid out his case why the charge of second-degree murder should be dropped.
I'm not here to contest what happened that day or say what happened that day. I'm here to show that they're unjustly charging me.
Hernandez has been charged with 6 felony counts in connection to the death of Officer David Nelson. The one he's disputing is the second-degree murder charge, which was brought on a principle known as implied malice. It suggests that Hernandez would have known at the outset of a pursuit that leading a peace officer on a high-speed chase could cause harm or even death.
They're trying to set an example out of me, I guess.
Hernandez did not dispute the other charges, but when asked about the sawed-off shotgun that was allegedly thrown out of the window of the car, all he would say was,
"Or if I walk up without it and I walk away without it, is it mine?"
Hernandez also claims that the prosecuting attorney, Jim Simpson, knew Officer Nelson and should be recused from the trial.
From what I've heard from my past attorney that had to conflict out because he's a witness to it, that the district attorney was a personal friend to the officer.
Speaking to Simpson over the phone, he tells Eyewitness News that he may have crossed paths with Officer Nelson at some point, but couldn't remember any specific meetings, saying they certainly weren't friends.
So what do you think the charges against you should be, if any?
The original charges I was charged with.
That is 5 felonies, including vehicular manslaughter that he pleaded no contest to, but the plea was denied by a judge. While he says he has not had contact with his attorney since his last trial, he hopes with what he knows now, the charge will be reduced.
I'm ready to just go to trial on this. I mean, just with what I have, I feel I have a formidable defense.
Hernandez still has to file an appeal to try and get that charge reduced, which he's not yet done. Otherwise, he'll just have to wait and face it at trial. He says he also plans to file a motion to get the trial moved out of Kern County, but that can't happen until the trial begins. His next court date is scheduled for November 9th.